Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to text-to-speech in Portuguese in Murf AI. Are you ready to add a Portuguese touch to your voiceovers with Murf AI? Let's dive into this creative journey. Step 1. Start by navigating to the Explore AI Voices tab on the left side of the studio. Languages are ready for exploration. You have two options here, Portugal or Brazil. I will choose for Portuguese, Portugal, to unveil an array of Portuguese voices. Step 2. Explore the collection of Portuguese voices and find the one that suits your project. Once you have made your choices, simply click Select. Step 3. Craft your Portuguese script. Fill the text area with Portuguese script. Want more dynamics? Adjust the speed, add pauses, and tailor it to your preference. Step 4. Experience the enchantment. Excited to hear your Portuguese text come alive? A click on Generate Audio brings about the transformation. Within just a few clicks, you have turned text into captivating Portuguese speech, all thanks to the magic of Murf AI. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Until the next video.